Welcome viewers to All Wood Carving product. Today are the finishing of the wardrobe. And see the repair here. Spray it over. Tell me how it look from the first one and to after. Before and after, and tell me if you know love it. And leave a comments in the section. So this is it, people. I can see say try my best on it. Yeah. Try my best on it. So tell me if me do my best. Yes, this side there. And more the side there, look. Side smooth, you know. I don't want to touch it because I just done it, you understand? Put them there. Go down to the jar. The jar there. See there? Okay, back on. Water gone in. Yeah. And on. Yeah. Right. So now, people, I'll go inside of it. So when I go on like that, I'll go on the other side first. See the difference? You know, holding up paint not upon it again. Rub it down good, you understand? I'll go inside of it. Inside of it. Right. So, rub down the door, the back of the door. Right. I'm not touching this circle. So a tall part. You can hang up your clothes, you understand? Skirt, your pants and the thing. Have to bend it. But this is good. So the other side. This is the back of the door. Up down too. And see the back of the door up down. You have a piece of side short side that you can fold things. The shelf there. So I need to set off two covers. One on top and one on bottom. Next side. See jar them there. So yes, my people. So tell me what you think about the repair. Tell me if it look good. One before and now this after. You understand? So thank you for watch. Thank you for everything. So I can go and learn something, you understand? Never go into the detail of this still, but I know I'm showing already in one of the video. I'm going to do the spraying and the sanding. So I just have to just follow the video them, go back on them, play them, and show them how to do them. I like how it look. It look better than before. I think that going to have 1 and 2 edges, but you have to look good to see them. Man, look at them, man. See them, they can't see it. So, like that. Another side there. Go look at them. Yeah. Like this. Anybody who want them furniture for repair, like them bed or them dresser, them chester jar, wardrobe, anything you want repair, spray over, you can link me. Link All Wood Carving product, you understand? Yeah, man. Anything weak in our house, anything want, anything chamber want come brand new, yeah, man, link All Wood Carving. We have the remedy for it. And give about nice and make it look good. So, thank you for watch. Continue to follow All Wood Carving. And you know, see now, I'm not doing no carving today, so as usual, we change up the video. When carving is around, we just deal with it. So thank you for watching and continue to follow me. Bless to all of you. India, America, Jamaica. I want to go spread it to all over the world. Alright? All wood carving is out.